Yung Marlon, yung Marlon tayo makalinaw pa rin. Project Human as the most dominant species of the entire universe. Humans as the most dominant species of the entire universe is not that impossible. As we dominate the planet Earth is how we dominate the universe. Okay, in planet Earth we can choose who to extinct animals and insects, etc., etc. Then who will we stay or maintain. That's how powerful and we're highly civilized. That's how powerful we are and capable of dominating the entire universe. The entire universe is so very wide. With series of planets, but it may dominate the planet Earth, so it's not that possible. But I have a plan by just making a space station outside the planet, from the concept or from the idea that anything from the fact that anything outside our planet or anything in outer space floats, it will be simple or easy. And instead of setting up wars for population growth of each country, why not use instead of a technology to wage war, I use the technology to have lots of space station outside the planet, and the space station will be filled of the less water on the planet Earth, because we have so much the water level here on planet Earth is becoming more higher and higher, so it will flood kill lots of human around the world. So lessening the water here on planet Earth, solution to flood and solution to humans aim to live outside the planet. A space station that has water, among its parameters are space, cities, countries, etc., etc. Then another big space station that has big water. Water in there are hydrogen and water in Jupiter, Uranus, and Saturn. Just use computer and scientists that are more like biologists or hydrologists to make water safe, then contain another space station outside the Jupiter and Uranus, outside the planet. Space station, and fill the space station with water from hydrogen from Uranus, Jupiter, Saturn, planet Earth. Then again, all its parameters are space countries, space cities. That's how easy how man can live in space. It's very important because the population of the planet is growing faster and faster. It's very inhumane to kill someone for controlling the population. So instead of doing so, war or focus on one thing. Even though space station that has a side rocket or motor, spacesuits, space stuff. Space cars, imagine space cars, space trains, space backpack, space vehicles, etc. In YouTube, I just watch an attempt of America and Russia of building a space station outside the planet, intending for us humans to live out here in outer space. The thing is, they don't have those space station that has filled with gas water. If only they will know the knowledge of those to build such space station, it will be easy, and not only to countries but the entire United Nations, because it's like here in planet Earth. Here in planet Earth, it's not only Russia and America live in outer space. The universe is so very wide, so we need no need to kill each other for this space together. So yes, we just support Russia and America. I mean, the United Nations, the whole world support Russia and America for this task, building space station as well. So that's how easy. Building it, we can use clones of SpaceX first, astronomers, and we can use robots or astronauts that are only programmed to do the specific task to stuff. Plus we can use those robots to explore Jupiter, Uranus, Saturn. Jupiter is the biggest planet. Uranus is the second biggest planet in the solar system. So it is possible that we can make an Earth out of those two. And if we made it, so there's no problem with collision, because it's very okay. Isipin maaaring tayo makalino pa rin. And then we can build space universities, space campuses, universities there, Kim Jong-il here, Hollywood, NBA, etc. Make it easy. Plus, among those planets has helium, more gas that poisonous gas that can be used as power, and then power the special electricity, etc. It's better be easy if we are united. Russia and America, thank God to Russia and America, because they were the two pioneers back then. That is, Russia is the first to orbit moon or planet, and America is the first one to walk to the moon. building it now. So I hope this video will reach their main, like they said, hydro space station will be possible to make it very very fast. I'm aiming. My aim is to make humans as a dominant species in the entire universe. It will take a long yes, the universe is very wide, but it's more than this is the first step. Because what I said, next solar system, second, third, fourth, the entire galaxy, the next galaxy, etc. It's possible. So di makaya tayo makalinaw pa rin yung makalinaw pa rin of Manila, Philippines. Regards all pa rin yung makalinaw using all the best use of the power natin pa rin yung sa'yo makalinaw pa rin yung magandang makalinaw. Ay, ito pa rin yung makalinaw pa rin hindi niya pa rin ilalim pa rin yung sabi pa rin ilalim pa rin yung pa rin sa pa rin. And San Gabriel Dumas dito sa Luminay o Barangay Sila Dumadyan ang mga Alvarez Cavite, Manila, Philippines.